In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable images in Google Sites. The ability to add clickable images can immensely enhance the usability and interactivity of your website, making it more engaging for visitors. So if you're ready to learn how to make this happen, let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by heading into your Google Sites account and opening the specific page where you want to add the clickable image. It's essential to ensure that your image is already uploaded to that page. So if you haven't done that yet, pause and upload the image first. Once the image is there, simply click on it. This step is crucial because clicking on the image activates the option panel specific to that image. You'll see options pop up around it indicating that the image is currently selected, and this is where we'll be doing most of our work today. Now that your image is selected, you'll want to move your cursor over to the top toolbar. Here, you'll find the familiar icon that looks like a little chain link, which is the insert link icon. Give that icon a click. This action will open up a small dialog box asking for the URL you want your image to link to. This functionality is what makes the image clickable. You'll be directing your users to another web page of your choice with a simple action. Go ahead and enter the URL you'd like to use. For this tutorial, let's use google.com as our example. However, you can replace this with any URL relevant to your content. Just ensure that you type the link accurately so that it directs users correctly. Once you've entered your desired URL, it's time to save your work. Next, close out the link dialog and navigate back to your top right of the main interface where you'll see the Publish button. Go ahead and click it. Publishing your site is critical because it saves all the changes you've made and updates your live site in real time with those changes. Take a moment to ensure everything looks good and is working correctly. Finally, it's time to preview your handiwork. In the same area as the Publish button, find the preview icon, click on it, which will allow you to view your site as your visitors would see it. In this view, find the clickable image you just configured and test it by clicking on it. Doing this should redirect you to the URL you entered earlier, confirming that everything is set up properly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to make images clickable within Google Sites. By following these steps, you've enhanced your website's capabilities, enabling a richer user experience for your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to practice these steps to make the most of your Google Sites projects.